Hey, nothing is better than an easy maintenance herb garden, y'all. Herbs first, and this is close to the kitchen too. Check this out, easy maintenance herb garden. It's over there. Okay. All right, let's commence the tour. Herb garden tour. Yeah, check this out. Lavender. Yeah, so we've got like a little tea area right here. We got some lavender, and that's chamomile. A friend of mine gave me that seed. Boom chow. Check that channel out. That's some Greek oregano. Second year. And that's a new start of rosemary. And this is also rosemary. That actually came from cuttings a few years ago. So the mother was 2018. And then right here, French tarragon. Good stuff. And in the second section here, that's a Lydia basil. And there's some more oregano starts. And something else I started in there and I can't remember. How about that? That might be cumin. I can't remember. Yep. There is the parsley, of course. Those are the chives I saved from disaster last year. And they went to seed fairly early, but that's because I kept them alive inside. Also divided them. Okay, so we have two of the same, except in this one, in addition to the parsley and chives, if you look right here, that's red, get that down. That is red basil. That's from my own seed collection from a plant last year. And here, this one, you've got parsley and chives again, but I snuck in some hot chili. Okay, see that there, and there's another one. That came from Arkansas woodcutter. Sure did. And this barrel, okay, now this is May. We're in the middle of May, so we're just getting started with the annuals. This one is an Asian basil, also given to me by Boon Chow. And she gave me some Mexican mint seeds. So there's a nice seeding straight across, and then these arched crosses like that. And if you don't know, Mexican mint marigold is also known as Mexican tarragon or Spanish tarragon. So again, it's got that anise flavoring to it. Back here is our cilantro / coriander. So that's a herb and a spice, of course. That seed also came from Boon Chow. And then over here, this is our dill barrel. Again, that seed came from Boon Chow. Go check that channel out. This is just a volunteer. This is a red Asian mustard. And it's going to seed, so I thought, what the hell. Might grab some of that. Maybe. And this is our sage collection. That's called Golden Edge. That is beer garden sage. And that one is tricolored sage. Cool little collection. These are just some regular onions that I treated like spring onions. We cut on those when needed. And these are second year Italian parsley that I'm saving the seed from that. So that's just going to seed. And this is all within 15 steps of our kitchen. That I will be planting after this video. That's lemongrass. That's a Bonnie plant start. Takes a while to get that going from seed, so just grab the start. That will go there, so we'll have some lemongrass for some Asian cuisine. And again, this is kind of our tea making area, not including mint, which we have in another place. And that's some other starts that I'm working on. Let me show you something else. Now these items, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These items are not close to the kitchen, okay? However, it's part of our herb collection. That standard English thyme obviously is gone to bloom. And number 2, Greek oregano, second year from seed, and I am going to keep that there as long as I can. I'm going to cut it back at the end of the year, get it to spread, and then we'll have a nice stand of oregano for a long time. And number 3 and number 4, that's chocolate mint. I got that as a start from Sarah at the Big Blue House Homestead. That is lemon thyme. Wonderful stand. That also goes back to 2018. It's been in several places. That's where it wound up. And my old timer back here, that's English thyme standard. A raggedy mess, but still edible, still tasty. That goes back to 2018. So it's whatever, 18, 19, 20. It's in its 5th year. That is just pretty.